Okay.
Okay, don't aggravate me.
I just wondered.
And modeling chocolate is 2 ingredients. It's chocolate
And models. Oh, okay.
Dude, this is
Sorry,
what I was going to do it by myself.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, this is a whole 5-minute project and you're going to make it go 20 minutes.
Do it.
Okay.
I would think cornstarch would do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cornstarch.
Yeah. That thickens things, does it not?
No.
Yeah,
just,
of course
just
it
be
does.
Quiet. Just be quiet, please.
You don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know what I'm talking
Yeah,
about.
cornstarch thickens things. It's a thickener.
Chocolate. I'm not doing chocolate.
Yeah, and what are the 2 things you need to make modeling chocolate, honey?
Oh, why don't you tell me since you're dying to tell your joke?
Chocolate and what? You tell me.
It's your joke.
Models.
Yes.
All right.
Yes,
Bear. It's not gonna.
okay, it's not a Steven. Get out of bears.
not-
Look at its snout.
Bears have snouts.
All right. Okay, just go.
Goodbye.
Just go. Bye bye.
Ah, and curds, which is Little Miss Muffet was eating, right?
Not curds. She was eating curds from milk. Curds and whey.
Oh.
This is lemon curd.
Oh, different. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, hey, we learn something new every day.
Yes, don't we?
Yeah. It was good, but
Yeah. So
oof,
anyway,
it was
so we're
also
gonna.
like $56. I was like, what?
So anyway, we're gonna
Get
add.
out of town.
Okay. So we're gonna add.
You get a bottle of Hendrix for that.
Okay. So
Oh,
after
sorry.
the meringue
Okay.
butter.
You say, Sky's Limit, can you make a grape buttercream? They don't do much with grape.
All right. I really don't.
Not a lot of
I'm
stuff.
never.
Grape's very underrated. I think they should.
Because if it's too soft, we're gonna get a liquid buttercream. Control yourself.
I'm sorry, there's
Control
just like
yourself.
1,000, that's what she says in
Please,
here.
please grow up.
Okay,
Please
all
grow
right.
up.
Okay.
All right. So what we're gonna do once we get the meringue to a thick.
I'm just going to look away. Go ahead.
Thick.
Is that almost ready?
Yeah, thick, glossy meringue.
Okay.
We're gonna cut this up into pieces.
Skin.
It's exactly.
Skin, film, yeah. 10 minutes. We're not going to sit here and talk because I'll drive
Correct.
my wife
No, that's
crazy.
what I'm saying.
Let's face it, I'll drive you crazy
You
if
already
we talk
have.
10 minutes.
Okay.
Judge Smales, kidnapped by
All
Sally.
right. All right.
Come back.
You gotta just like focus on this for a little
Okay.
bit. I told you there's a lot of details. You need to
Yeah.
not talk so much.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
I'm not talking.
Okay. We've sifted.
So anyway,
Okay. The egg whites have to be at room temperature. Okay. Thank you for not talking for a second. Stephen, be quiet.
Okay, go.
You just made me lose my temper on live video. Okay. All right.